What if you could hold a piece of the past that secretly records the future? I built a camera that looks like it belongs in 1920 but streams live video over Wi-Fi. Let me show you how. There is something about old cameras, the weight of them, the texture, the way they look like they were built to last 100 years. Modern tech is incredible, but it's all plastic and glass and minimalism. I wanted something different. I wanted to take new technology and dress it into something that felt vintage, handcrafted, real. So I designed and printed this camera from scratch. Wood texture metal, metallic top and bottom, a fake lens that actually frames the ESP32-CAM sitting right behind it, and the whole thing streams live video over Wi-Fi. This video covers everything: the print, the painting, the electronics, the code, and how to actually get the stream running on your screen. Let's get into it. Before anything took shape physically, I had to define what was going inside. This build is powered by ESP32-CAM module, the brain and the eye of the system. No complex setup, just a compact circuit designed to fit inside a very small shell. That's it. Simple, efficient, and everything has to earn its place inside the design. And if you want the exact wiring setup, the circuit diagram is in the description. Once the electronics were designed, I could design the body, I split the structure into three sections: top, middle, and bottom, so each part could serve a different visual purpose. The top and the bottom are clean, smooth surfaces, perfect geometry for a metallic paint finish later. There is also a small circular piece, the lens, that sits right in the center. Simple shape, but it really sells the entire camera. Alright, this is where plastic stops looking like plastic. The concept was always contrast, old meets new. I wanted something that feels like it belongs in an antique shop, but secretly runs live video. Wood in the center, metal on top and bottom. That classic vintage camera contrast. The lens gets the same metallic finish to tie everything together. Now we bring both worlds together. My ESP32-CAM needs a USB to UART adapter since I lost the original one. The firmware comes from GitHub, link in description. Open the INO file. It loads directly in Arduino IDE. Inside the code, you just add your Wi-Fi credentials here. Select board, COM port, upload. Upload complete. Now, the satisfying part. I opened the Wi-Fi setting on my PC, and right there, in the list of available networks, I could see the new one. The ESP32-CAM creates its own Wi-Fi access point, and it shows up with its own name right in your network list. I connected to it, then I opened my browser, type in this IP address, and hit enter, and there it is. The interface loads. I can see every control, and right in the middle of the screen, live video streaming from inside this little printed camera in real time. The ESP32 sits directly behind the lens opening. Battery and charging module go in the lower section. Switch stays accessible from the outside. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.